If you think great whiskey has to cost $50 or more, think again. Because today, we're diving into a secret world of budget whiskeys, bottles that cost under $40. But taste like they belong in the $50 plus category. These are the hidden gems, the underrated picks, and the smart drinker's choice. So if you want premium taste without burning your wallet, stay with me. Let's start with a classic. First up, Buffalo Trace. This is one of those bottles that whiskey lovers constantly talk about. And for good reasons. It's smooth, slightly sweet, and incredibly balanced. You get notes of vanilla, caramel, and a touch of spice, the kind of flavor profile you'd expect from something much more expensive. What makes Buffalo Trace special is its consistency. Whether you're new to whiskey or already experienced, this bottle delivers every single time. It's perfectly neat, on the rocks, or even in a cocktail. Honestly, if someone poured this for you blind, you'd probably guess it costs way more than it actually does. Next, Evan Williams Single Barrel. Now this one feels premium right from the moment you see the bottle. But it's what's inside that really matters. This is a single barrel bourbon, which means each bottle comes from one specific barrel, something you usually find in higher-end whiskeys. The taste? Rich, oaky, with hints of honey, apple, and toasted wood. It has depth, it has character, and it definitely drinks above its price point. If you're trying to impress someone without spending big money, this is your weapon. Moving on, Wild Turkey 101. Don't let the price fool you. This is a bold, high-proof bourbon that brings serious flavor. At 101 proof, it packs a punch, but it's not harsh. Instead, you get a powerful mix of caramel, vanilla, cinnamon, and a slightly smoky finish. This is not a beginner whiskey. But if you like strong, full-bodied drinks, this one feels like something you'd easily pay $50 or more for. It's also amazing in cocktails because it doesn't get lost. It stands out. Now let's talk about a slightly different style, Monkey Shoulder. This is a blended Scotch whiskey, and it's incredibly smooth and easy to drink. You'll notice flavors like malt, vanilla, and a bit of citrus. It's light, creamy, and very approachable. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants something relaxed but still high quality. What makes Monkey Shoulder special is how balanced it is. It doesn't try too hard. It just delivers a clean, enjoyable experience, something you'd expect from a more expensive Scotch. And finally, Old Forester 100. This one is a hidden gem. Old Forester has been around for a long time, but it often gets overlooked. Which is surprising, because this bottle is seriously good. At 100 proof, it sits right in that sweet spot, strong enough to give you flavor, but smooth enough to enjoy. You'll get notes of dark chocolate, spice, oak, and a hint of orange peel. It's complex, rich, and very satisfying. This is the kind of whiskey that makes you pause and think, wait, this is under $40? So there you have it. 5 amazing whiskeys that prove you don't need to spend $50 to get a premium experience. Buffalo Trace for smooth balance. Evan Williams Single Barrel for depth and character. Wild Turkey 101 for bold flavor. Monkey Shoulder for easy drinking. And Old Forester 100 for rich complexity. Each one offers something unique. And all of them punch way above their price. At the end of the day, whiskey isn't about how much you spend. It's about what you enjoy. And sometimes, the smartest choice isn't the most expensive bottle on the shelf, it's the one that delivers the most value. So next time you're at the store, don't just go for the flashy labels or high prices. Try one of these. You might be surprised. And who knows, your new favorite whiskey might cost less than you ever expected. If you enjoyed this, make sure to stick around, because we're just getting started with exploring the best affordable whiskeys out there. Cheers!